Whether you're building a bookshelf or restoring a vintage chair, the right tools make all the difference. Today, we're counting down 5 WORKPRO essentials that every woodworker, beginner or pro, should have in their kit. Let's dive in. Number 1. The WORKPRO 6-inch Japanese pull saw is designed for clean and accurate wood cutting. It has 2 sides, one with 14 teeth per inch for cutting along the grain, and one with 17 teeth per inch for cutting across the grain. The blade is thin and flexible, which helps you make precise cuts in tight spaces. Each tooth is shaped to remove wood chips quickly, and the blade stays sharp for a long time. It is made from strong SK5 steel and has a gold coating that helps prevent rust. The handle is made from beech wood and has a non-slip grip, so it feels comfortable and secure in your hand. This saw is great for flush cuts, trimming dowels, and detailed joinery. It works best when you use gentle, steady strokes. If you want more control and cleaner results in your woodworking, this tool is a smart choice. Number 2. The WORKPRO 13-piece Spade drill bit set is built for fast, clean drilling in wood. Each bit is made from medium carbon steel and heat-treated for extra strength. The polished head helps reduce wear, so the bits last longer with regular use. What makes this set stand out is the double-sided cutting spurs. They slice through wood efficiently and help prevent splintering. The 1/4-inch hex shank fits most drill drivers and includes a groove to reduce slipping, which adds safety and control. Chip removal is smooth, which means less resistance and faster drilling. The set includes sizes from 1/4 inch to 1.5 inch, covering a wide range of tasks like boring holes for wiring, dowels, or hardware. It comes with a nylon pouch for easy storage. This isn't a flashy upgrade. It's a reliable set that handles everyday woodworking jobs with ease and consistency. Number 3. The WORKPRO 8-inch Tri-Square is a reliable tool for marking and checking right angles in woodworking. It features a stainless steel blade that resists rust and stays straight, even with regular use. The handle is made from aluminum alloy, which feels sturdy but lightweight. It's designed to be comfortable in your hand and won't slip easily. The scale is laser-etched in black, making it easy to read in both 1/8 inch and 1/16 inch increments. You'll also find 2 pencil marking holes at 1 centimeter and 19 centimeters, which help with quick layout work. One side of the blade shows inches, the other shows centimeters, and there's even a 45-degree angle built into the handle for added versatility. At just under 10 ounces, it's easy to carry and gentle on your wrist. This square is a solid choice for anyone who values accuracy and ease of use in their woodworking setup. Number 4. The WORKPRO 13-inch nail puller is built for removing nails with control and minimal damage. It features a cat's paw digger and a unique rocking head that gives you extra leverage. The I-beam handle is 13 inches long, which helps you apply steady force without straining. The pointed tip digs into it cleanly, making it easier to remove embedded or headless nails. The rounded surface of the rocker helps lift nails without leaving deep marks on finished wood. Instead of grabbing the nail head, the tool grips the shaft so you can pull out long nails or even reverse them from the back. It's made from strong steel and coated to resist rust, which adds to its durability. This tool is useful for demolition, remodeling, and reclaiming wood. If you often deal with stubborn nails or delicate surfaces, this puller gives you more control and less mess. Number 5. The WORKPRO 4-piece nail punch and center punch set is made for clean, accurate work in wood and metal. It includes 3 nail setters in sizes 1/32 inch, 1/16 inch, and 3/32 inch, plus 1 center punch in 1/32 inch. Each tool is made from strong chrome vanadium steel with a black finish that helps prevent rust. The grip is knurled, which means it has a textured surface that makes it easier to hold without slipping. Nail punches help you drive nails below the surface of the wood, which gives your project a smooth and finished look. The center punch is used to mark exact spots before drilling, so the drill bit doesn't slide. This set is useful for trim work, furniture building, and general woodworking. It's small, durable, and easy to control. If you want better results with nails and drill marks, This set gives you the right tools for the job.